Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today we are going to see how your next 15 days are going to be. So this is a timeless reading. You can be watching it at any time. So we'll see how your next 15 days are going to be. We have three piles with us. First one is money drawing or abundance pile, I would say. Second one is angel protection feather, which I somehow got in my house. My house is entirely closed, but I keep getting such things from my angels. And the third one is a koala. So, also, I am not a traditional tarot card reader. I do more of channeled and spirit messages and less of tarots. But yes, I'll show you your tarots just to clarify. Don't forget to comment on this video and come back after 15 days and tell me how it resonated. So these are your piles. Take a deep breath and you can pick any pile, and it's a general reading. It might and might not resonate with you. If it doesn't, you can check another reading or you can pick up another pile. So let's start with pile number one. So pile number one, we have magic oil, which is an abundance magic oil. And the card we have here is High Priestess. So what I see is that you guys have a lot of existential crisis again. So I think this pile have watched my another video and might have resonated with pile one or two. So again, you guys have abundance, you guys are happy about what you have, but then you are restless at the same time for what you have and what you don't have. And I think whatever you are planning at this moment, you should at least delay it for next few days until you have clarity, because I see you do not have a clarity about anything at this moment. And this card is one of the cards which says to look at the situation from higher perspective and not to rush into things. I feel that you guys are planning on something. You guys are waiting maybe for the quarantine to get over and to jump into something. You guys have been making plans which will be obviously fruitful. You guys are intuitive. I think this pile meditates a lot. I think this pile has just was listening to some kind of meditative music or some kind of beats or drum music. And I feel you guys are overthinkers, the pile which is watching this. And coming back to your next 15 days, I feel there'll be a delay in things. If you're expecting a payment, there might be a delay. And if you're expecting to hear from somebody, there might be a delay. So I feel that this pile overthinks a lot, and that is the reason they block their own intuition. You guys are really intuitive with High Priestess in the first place, and you guys are probably overcoming an addiction of some kind, maybe alcohol, maybe smoking, or anything like that. So you guys are really working towards leaving your bad habits here. So bad habit can be anything according to you. So you guys are really working on that and you are quite successful with it. But then you get a certain urge about it, that why should I do this, why should I not do this, and things like that. But you're on the right path. Basically, in next 15 days, I would say I see you be making more progress on yourself, right? And with the strength card, I see that we were talking about your addiction or your bad habits. So you have a lot of strength of doing it. Some of you might have been, working towards it and you have been quite successful, but now you're coming to a saturation point and you're wanting to give up on all those things which you have left behind. You have this certain urge of going back to your old patterns, and which is basically not wrong, because this is Mercury retrograde, so a lot of things from past are going to come back. But you have a lot of strength. You need to stick to your strength. Maybe you might hear from one of your exes, maybe ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, or maybe ex-husband, ex-colleagues, anybody who was with you in the past. This is what I'm picking up. And you guys are already very abundant. I see that you guys manifest a lot of things. You might know this, you might not know this, but you manifest a lot of things. And I think you guys think negative a lot, right? In spite of having all this strength, in spite of being so successful, very attentive to whatever you are doing, very dedicated, but you become restless, you become irritated at times, you feel like not doing things after a certain time. And here we have Wheel of Fortune at the back of the card, which basically means that you are going to break all these cycles, right? With your exes, maybe with your addiction, you're going to break this cycle for sure. Something new is going to start for you, but then you really need to wait for some time. You need to keep patience, and you're really, really intuitive. Please start tapping into your intuition. I don't see any big thing coming up for you in next 15 days, but the advice here for you is just to stick to yourself for this moment, right? I understand it's a difficult time for every one of us, but then at the end of the day, it's it's you who you are going to stay with, and don't betray yourself by going to the old cycles here, right? So I would say you will overcome your addictions. You have already overcome a lot of your addictions, maybe to bad relationships, maybe alcohol, maybe smoking, maybe other kind of drugs. So you have strength here. So you should start working on it. You are going to break this cycle. Um, you are going to hear from somebody from your past you are not expecting, maybe ex-colleagues, friends, family, but you are really intuitive. You always know how the situation is going to be. You ignore your intuitions, so you really need to work there. And you're a great manifester, so you need to work on your manifestation as well. I don't think this pile is aware that they do manifestation. I think you guys are new to spirituality. You are trying to explore spirituality. You are in this phase where you are exploring spirituality. You are neither a very spiritual person at this moment nor an atheist. You are just trying and see where this will go, and this will go well. I feel you are in the right path. You really need some kind of a routine, because you tend to deviate from the path as well. So that's all I can see. Again, strength card is coming up. So I feel that you have a lot of strength here. You are calm, but you have a lot of strength. You don't engage with everybody. You are selective, because again, you are energy sensitive. I think a lot of my viewers are energy sensitive. You have a lot of strength, and then you have the World card here at the back of the deck, right? You know how to deal with people. You have been dealing with people very well. You might be in a management position. You might be a Libra. You might be a Capricorn. You might be a Cancer sign, or you can be anybody who has a sun, moon, rising in their chart as well. I feel you guys are grounded. You might be somebody of an earth sign as well. You guys are balanced when you are dealing with people. You guys know how to deal with, who to deal with, and whatever the situation is going to be, you are going to overcome that in any case scenario. So please, I'm sorry, but do not expect anything great happening in next 15 days. Also, please do not take any big decisions in next 15 days, because you guys have tendency to just look at the outer picture first and then jump into it. You are impulsive at some times, so you really need to work on that. And I think everything will be fine. Balance, you need a little bit of balance in your life. Again, please make a routine, try sticking to it. uh, Try grounding yourself. Please tune into your intuition. You always know what to do and how to do. Please stick to that. Do what you think is right for you. I think it's time to stop listening to others' opinion and be the person you are destined to be. You're moving forward towards your spirituality. You have a lot of strength with you, and you can do it. And you're just trying to be spiritual. At this moment, basically, you are neutral at this moment. You are living your life, but you're seeing what you can do in terms of spirituality. So I would say, before you move towards in that direction, start working on your intuition, and you will be on the right path. So I think a lot of you needs a teacher or a guide who would be able to help you to move forward with your spirituality, because again, you are in existential crisis. You think something, you do something, you don't have control on your thoughts, you don't listen to your gut. I think your sacral chakra is blocked, but still you are good at manifestation, but you manifest wrong things into your life because of the only reason that you don't believe in yourself somehow. So start believing in yourself, please. Start writing daily affirmations. Affirmations really help. Human brain is really hardwired, it needs changes, beliefs can be changed at any moment of time. So I suggest that please start writing daily affirmations. You can Google daily affirmations, you can take those from my page, but you're a great manifester. Please manifest in the right direction, right? And be specific about what you are manifesting, so that your manifestation works in the right way. Sometimes you get what you want, but then you are not sure if you want it, and things like that happen with you. This is only because you are not very sure. Please clear your head once in a while, start meditating a bit. If you can't meditate, start listening to your intuition. That will be really, really helpful, right? Something is going to end here as well. I see some kind of ending happening here, which might be your addictions, which might be your bad cycles. You really want to get out of your bad cycles, which you will get out of the bad cycles. It's time to stop acting like a fool. There are new beginnings definitely here. Fool to me means new beginning, and definitely after this death card, about after something ends, you are going to have a new beginning. And then we have a Tower card. You will have this new beginning, this breakthrough very soon. The moment you are not expecting it, you will have this breakthrough. Come back and comment on this video once you have this breakthrough. You are going to have this breakthrough the moment you are not expecting it. Something is going to end here, something is going to begin here, and this is going to happen very abruptly. Please pay attention to your intuition. You are in the right path. Please look for a guide, please look for a mentor. Start with the baby steps, and this is going to be amazing. I am sorry, but don't expect anything great in 15 days. Just keep a hold on yourself, be clear about yourself. But definitely I see new beginnings. Amazing. All right, thank you, pile number 1. Let's move to pile number 2. All right, so pile number 2, we have Magician card here for pile number 2, and pile number 2 had Protection Feather. So I feel that you guys are really protected, right? I feel that you are some kind of magicians. You create your reality, and you are really protected by the divine. You might be an advanced human being, you might be spiritually growing, and you are tapping into your power, and you're divinely protected. I think your spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors are continuously with you. In next 15 days, what I see is a major manifestation coming towards you, and I see that there is something which is going to happen and which is not very great, but you will be protected from that thing. Something is going to happen in next 15 days. That might be anything, minor, major, might be some kind of tragedy, but you will be safe from that, and you will realize that you are always protected. That is from your guides, and you are manifesting something which will happen in divine timing. You are losing your patience here, and you are expecting something from a long time, but you are divinely protected, and this is going to happen in divine timing. Maybe a lot of you are waiting for your partner to get back to you. I think a lot of you are in separation, maybe with your partner, with your soulmate, and you are really getting frustrated here, and you are divinely protected. You are going to get back with this person definitely in divine timing, but in divine timing it's not going to happen in 2 days, 3 days, and you guys are getting frustrated and you are thinking to stop your manifestation. Please don't do that. Keep doing your manifestation, keep faith, keep trust, and you are going to get a very strong signal from the universe that you are protected. Somehow you are going to get it. Maybe something bad will happen and you will realize it didn't happen to you. Thank God, it is going to happen to somebody else or something like that. Some realization is going to be there wherein you will feel that you are divinely protected. Some of you might be expecting here or are planning for a child. This is going to be very soon. Also, this card indicates that there are going to be new beginnings for you, but only in divine timing. Right, you guys are very very bright. This is an empress card. She always has a plan. She always knows what's going on. I think a lot of you guys know that there is going to be a new beginning very soon, and you already know that you are divinely protected, and all this is going to happen in the divine timing, so you cannot rush it. Please understand this. And you're going to get a very strong signal from the universe, from your angels, from your ancestors, that you are divinely protected. If you have been asking for a sign, I think this is a sign for you. I think one or two of you are specifically listening to this because you wanted a sign. This is your sign. This is really your sign here. And this is going to happen if you are thinking about a relationship, if you are thinking about your twin flame, if you're thinking about your soulmate. And I think you guys are calling in your soulmate like anything. You are manifesting him or her. You are going to do that very soon. You might be a fire sign, you might be an air sign here. So don't expect it in 15 days, but don't stop your manifestation. This is very important for you to keep manifesting, to have faith. You are going to get a very strong signal from the universe. These cards came up on their own. Again, we have the magician here. You are a magician here. You know how to manifest, what to manifest. Keep patience. You need to have balance. You cannot rush things that are in divine timing. You are definitely somebody who can be a fire sign. You can be an earth sign. You can be an air sign here. Right. You have a lot of colors with you. Both of these cards have a lot of colors. You need to balance your divine masculine and divine feminine energy inside you. For next 15 days, I say please stick to balancing yourself, start grounding yourself. Also, keep manifesting. Don't stop your manifesting. This is a number one card, right? This is a card of start for me, right? I see that, in next 14 days, right, from 1 to 14 days, the day you watch this video to next 14 days, you're going to get a very very strong signal that your manifestation is working and you are divinely protected. Please come back to this video after 15 days of watching it and tell me if you got that signal or not. Also, if you have been looking the signal and you have been watching this video just for it, this is your confirmation that this person you have been manifesting, you have been thinking about, is your person, and you are going to be together, but only in divine timing. Don't rush. I think your lesson here is not to rush things, right? If you are waiting for something else here or manifesting something, that will definitely come, but in divine timing also you are divinely protected. You will get a signal that you are divinely protected. And again, at the back of the deck we have the magician. You guys might be very strong in manifesting. You guys may be psychics here. I think a lot of people who are watching this pile are psychics. You guys know what is going to happen, and you guys know the outcome as well, and you guys have manifested a lot of things in your life. You guys are definitely magicians, but I think you need a lot of balancing. There is some magic that is going to happen, something magical, very magical, something you have been expecting, right? You are going to get a signal very soon from your ancestors, your spirit guides, your whosoever you believe in, right? And you are divinely protected. Again, you guys are really protected. Even if something bad happens to you, that person gets it back like 10 times, at least 10 times. You guys have a little bit of struggle here. Something is going to happen very soon which will give you a signal. You guys struggle a bit with things. You are currently struggling with your manifestation because you're thinking it is not working. You're going to get a signal that it is working, right? Something will happen like this in a jiffy. Something will happen that will make you realize that this was all a synchronicity in your life. Everything is perfect. You're divinely protected. Please don't worry about anything. Start thanking divine, start thanking angels for what you have. And I really think you guys are magicians. You might be a psychic. You might listen things which normal people cannot. You might see things which normal people cannot. Something is going to end here. A new beginning is going to be here. Some cycle is going to end. The place wherever you are stuck with, right, that is going to end in these 15 days. You will get a very strong signal that whatever you're thinking about is going to happen, and you guys are divinely protected. Please show gratitude towards the universe, your God, to your spirit guides, to your ancestors. They will always help you. And also, one thing is that you guys really need to, be very clear about what you want, right? Don't rush the process, right? Don't tell them what to do, how to do, right? Just do it, right? Just tell them to do it. Don't tell them how to do it, right? Don't ask them to speed it up, right? So in next 15 days, I would say you will get a very strong signal from the universe that whatever you're thinking about is right, and you are divinely protected. Something will happen which will eventually make you realize that you are divinely protected here. And please start showing gratitude, right? You need to come out of your limbo. You need to show trust to the universe, basically. So please keep working on that. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. I also do personal readings. We have monthly rituals on my Instagram page as well. Please have a look on the page. I'll be more than thankful if you could like, share, and subscribe the video, and like my YouTube channel along with my Instagram channel. Thank you so much. So pile number 3. We have a koala for you, right? You guys are slow. You guys do things slowly. Also, we have fool card for you, right? Which means you do things very slowly, right? You think, and you are very slow in whatever you do. I'm sorry, I'm getting this vibe from you guys that you are very slow. You need a lot of motivation for everything. You are like, oh my god, I have to do this. Do I really have to do this? You're this kind of a person, right? But there are going to be a few new beginnings for you, and I think you guys are very cute. I don't know. I think the pile number 3 is very, very cute. I bought this from Australia. This is one of my favorite animal. And you guys are really, really cute. I don't know. I am getting this vibe that you are really slow, but you're really cute. You are very cute, right? And you behave like a fool. You're not a fool. I think this pile, if you have watched my another video in who I was in past life, or who am I in this life, you were the pile number 3 basically. You guys are really cute, and you guys delay a lot. You guys are going to have new beginnings. I think all my piles are going to have a new beginning here. You're going to have a new beginning. You're very smart. You are very calculative, but you take time. And your cuteness, I would say, takes people over, right? Even if you do something wrong, you make those puppy faces where people are like, oh, now I am sorry. The other person eventually apologizes to you because you're so cute. Nobody can be angry with you. And you take advantage of that at times. You take advantage of it, right? In next 15 days, I see physical changes as well for you. Maybe a lot of you have been working on yourself here, on maybe working out a lot, improving your self-esteem and things like that. Maybe you are listening to a lot of audios where you listen about self-improvement. I see that you are watching a lot of videos online as well, where you are learning things. Maybe you are planning for a new business, new ideas here. Also, there's a little bit of struggle here, but I think whatever you have been planning will be fruitful because you have this charm in yourself, right? You're very charming. You can be a Leo here. You can be an earth sign also. But you are very cute, and you know how to use your cuteness for your own benefit, right? You guys are opportunist, I would say. You take a lot of time thinking, a lot of time delaying things, but you do things eventually. And you do whatever you like to do. You don't stick to what other people tell you anyhow, right? So next 15 days, I see a lot of physical changes happening here. Maybe you are conscious about your body image and you are changing that. I see that happening. I think you are learning something new, maybe a new course online. You are looking for those, and maybe you have taken some kind of classes. Maybe you're doing Zumba at home or something, and that's going to show result. Now, there might be a delay, of course, because it's a Mercury retrograde. It takes time actually. You might feel that you are going backwards, but then trust me, you're not going backward. It's just temporary and you are going to come out brighter than this. In next 15 days, I see your body image improving, your self-esteem improving, and I see that you are going to come to some kind of conclusion here. Maybe you are going to put a stop to the delays here and you will get justice. I have got justice card for you, which definitely means whatever you're planning on, whatever you're waiting on, whatever you're working on, if you are into a legal battle or something, if you had a bad breakup recently, it's going to turn out in your favor. I see a heartbreak here as well. Some of you have had a hard situation here where you feel betrayed, but you will get justice. I think this was for your own good, and I see that you need balance. You are an extremist here, so you need to balance yourself. So the moment you thought that things are not turning the way you want to, you get extreme, right? So you don't balance thing, you get extreme here, right? So you need to maintain this balance. This is whatever this is, whatever this is, whatever you have, whatever wrong has been done to you, it will be undone. You will be justified, your acts will be justified. And I also think you always justify your acts a lot. You don't look for balance, you justify your acts. You don't think when somebody puts accusations on you or says anything to you, so you are going to get justice very soon here. Also, what I'm getting here is that you guys have been stalking somebody on social media. I don't know, might not resonate with everybody, but I see few of you have been stalking people, somebody very specific you're stalking. I don't know, maybe you feel something about them, maybe you want to know them, and and eventually you will message this person with your feelings or something like that. I don't know, something you're stalking somebody. Also, you are looking inside for all the answers. So you're going to get all these answers in next 15 days, whatever you're getting, right? This is a 9 number card. You are very soon going to come to a conclusion here, and I think you're going to text this person you are stalking. I don't know, why are you stalking this person? I am not sure, but you are really stalking somebody on social media, one or two particular people. Especially you are really stalking somebody. You think they are your soulmate or something, but you're really stalking those people, and you are going to come to this conclusion that you are going to message that person in 15 days, and I think the situation will turn out fine. You might be an earth sign here, or you might have a lot of earth in your birth chart, and you are going to delay a few situations, or you have been delaying the situation of messaging this person, or you might like this person's photo on social media. You didn't want it to, but somehow you liked it, and then you couldn't take it back because it would have been awkward. This person notices you. You stalk this person a lot. You really stalk this person a lot, and you are going to talk to this person somehow. I think there was some kind of birthday party recently, or some kind of birthday of this person, and you tried texting, or you just got a thank you, you got demotivated, you are contemplating on that thing, something like that. You are really stalking somebody, and when something backfires, you act cute. You're like, oh, this happened, that happened, I'm sorry, this and that. You try to play smart, but you are head over heels about this person. You're going to text this person. You might be dating this person in some time. You're definitely going to text this person. This person might also reach out to you. I am not sure, for one or two. But this person is smart. Beware. This is not your soulmate. If you're thinking, is your soulmate? This is not your soulmate, definitely. But you really can have a relationship with this person. And I think this person can be a fire sign, can be an Aries, can be a Sagittarius maybe, or has a lot of fire, or is very ambitious. I think the person you are stalking is very ambitious, and that's the reason you try to keep it low so that you don't get into their way as well. So I see this happening in next 15 days. You're going to have a conversation with them. You might propose them, they might propose you, they might call you, you might call them, but most of the people, 99% people, you are going to approach them and talk to this person. and I think it will turn out well for you. And if not, of course, you are going to use your cuteness as ever. So I don't see a problem there. So this cycle is really going to end, wherein this card is coming up again and again. This cycle is going to end where you're stalking this person and you're going to speak with this person eventually, right? A lot of you might like gold a lot. I think you guys like gold a lot. You wear gold jewelry. You have golden handbags. You have golden dresses. If you're a male, you might have a silver car. Sorry, golden car. Maybe something has to do with golden here. You are prosperous. You like gold a lot, like a lot. You like gold. You might wear a lot of gold jewelry. You might have a lot of gold at home, something like that. You like gold, right? Or this person might wear a lot of golden jewelry. We are talking about the person you are stalking, basically. uh, there are chances of exchange of gifts here. I think you might give them some gift because there was their birthday, your birthday, somebody's birthday, either of you. And I see exchange of gifts here, exchange of sweet words here. Puppy kind of a love, very new love. If you have been recently in touch with person, this is some very puppy kind of a love, very new, very cute kind of love. It's sweet, it's nice, and I think it's going to go well for now. If this has not happened, this is going to happen in 15 days. Please come back to this video in 15 days and let me know if this happened. uh, you guys are going to be happy together. This person is very strong. You are stalking. This person is really smart. This person is really pretty, I think. This is not a normal or general type people you date, or you are not their general type, but you're going to be together. It's going to be a happy relationship eventually. It will take some time, but it's going to be a happy relationship. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I also offer personal readings if you like to have one. Please connect with me on Instagram, or my contact details are below. Thank you for watching this video.